Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify monday.com permissions with admin and account roles, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify monday.com permissions with admin and account roles, start by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to your workspace by selecting it from the main dashboard. Once you're in your workspace, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. In the drop-down menu, select Admin to access the admin settings. Within the Admin panel, look for the Users tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Users tab to see a list of all team members in your account. Identify the user whose permissions you want to verify. Click on their name to open their profile and permissions settings. In this section, you will see their current role listed, such as admin, member, or guest. To confirm their specific permissions, scroll down to the Permissions section. Here, you'll find details on what that user can access and modify. Next, if you need to check account-level roles, go back to the Admin panel. This time, click on the Account tab from the left sidebar. Under the Account section, you'll see roles and permissions associated with the entire account. Verify the different roles available and the corresponding permissions for each. For more detailed information about any role, click on the role name to expand its settings. You can compare individual user permissions against these account-level roles. If adjustments are necessary, return to the Users tab. Select the user again and click Edit next to their role. Choose the appropriate role from the drop-down menu based on the permissions needed. Make sure to save any changes you make. Lastly, double-check all modifications to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can easily verify and manage permissions within monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.